Good afternoon. This is the special coverage of the coronavirus crisis using the combined forces of News 5 and Cignal TV's 1 News, Radio 5 and 1PH. Aprobado na po ng Food and Drug Administration ang 5 rapid test kits para sa COVID-19. Gagamitin na rin daw ang 17 karagdagang PCR-based test kits sa bansa. Para sa iba pang detalye, nagbabalita si Ria Fernandez. Ria.
Cheryl, binigyan na ng basbas ng Food and Drug Administration ang 5 rapid test kits para magamit ng publiko sa laban natin kontra COVID-19. Ayon kay FDA Director General Eric Domingo, partikular nilang inaprubahan yung mga point-of-care test kit mula sa mga bansang may maaasahang regulatory agencies. Kabilang daw dyan ang China at Singapore. Git ni Domingo, tanging mga trained health professional lamang ang maaaring magsagawa nito. Paglilinaw pa ni Domingo, kailangan pa rin dumaan sa polymerase chain reaction o PCR-based confirmatory test ang magiging resulta ng rapid test. Antibodies lang daw kasi ang kayang i-detect ng nasabing test kits. Kasabay nito, 17 na rin ang PCR-based test kits matapos aprubahan ng FDA ang panibago pang isa. Panawagan ngayon ng FDA sa DOH, dagdagan pa ang bilang ng mga laboratoryong may kakayahang magsagawa ng confirmatory test. Cheryl?
Ria, paano yung magiging distribution ng bagong test kits? Makakatanggap ba ang lahat ng LGUs?
So far, wala pa tayong detalye on how Department of Health will go about this. Pero may mga natanggap na tayo mga report na may mga LGU na nauna nang bumili ng kanilang mga test kit. Kaya lang ang problema kulang o wala tayong enough facility para magsagawa nga nitong confirmatory test na ito nga yung PCR-based na tinatawag ng ating mga otoridad.
Meron ba binigay na terms and conditions ang FDA para sa government agencies, LGUs, private firms na gustong magsagawa ng sarili nilang rapid tests?
So kahit may go signal na ng FDA yung paggamit doon sa at least 5 rapid test kits mula China at Singapore, ang nais pa rin ng FDA sa ating mga LGU ay maging maingat sa paggamit nito at siguraduhin na may supervision ng trained health professionals.
Ano yung pagkakaiba, Ria, nung rapid tests at PCR-based tests in terms of nakukuhang resulta o detalye mula sa mga individuals?
Sa rapid test kits kasi, antibodies lang yun na detect niya. Itong antibodies na bibildo ng katawan natin kapag may sakit tayo. Halimbawa, nakakuha tayo ng isang virus o halimbawa, bacteria. Ngayon naman, itong PCR-based na test kits, ang hinahanap niya talaga yung mismong virus. So, yun yung difference niya Kasi pwede kang mag-build ng antibodies sa katawan without necessarily contracting COVID-19. Whereas kapag PCR-based test kits daw, sigurado na yung virus na madedetect ay COVID-19 talaga.
So we're saying na hindi pwede gamitin independently yung rapid test kits. Kailangan pa rin ng confirmatory test sa paggagamitan ng PCR-based kits.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Sabi ni Domingo kanina kasi maaari pa rin makakuha ng false negative or false positive na resulta mula dito sa rapid test kits.
Alright, maraming salamat for that update, Ria Fernandez. Health Secretary Francisco Duque III says DOH is set to launch 30 new testing centers nationwide. In a phone interview this morning, the health chief says the additional centers will boost the country's testing capacity from 300 to 1,000 daily. He adds more test kits are arriving from other countries like China and Singapore, with some already undergoing validation. Duque notes that the growing availability of test kits and testing centers is seen to high COVID-19 figures in the coming days. Asked if the health department teams to need to expand the enhanced community quarantine nationwide, Duque says anything is possible. Senator Panfilo Lacson is urging ordinary citizens who have tested positive for COVID-19 to publicly disclose their condition. The senator's call comes as the number of confirmed cases in the country surpassed the 1,000 mark. He says public disclosure will help alert those who came in close contact with the patient to come forward to be tested and treated. Lacson brands the action as a selfless act of responsibility in a bid to flatten the curve. Latest count from the Health Department shows the Philippines now has 1,418 confirmed cases, 71 deaths, and 42 recoveries. Some 690 health workers have heeded to the call for volunteers by the Health Department in the country's fight against COVID-19. They will be assigned at 3 public hospitals for 2 weeks, after which they will undergo a 14-day quarantine. Meanwhile, the Department of Health has apologized for its earlier decision to allot only 500 pesos for the compensation of health volunteers. This was based on their volunteer program last year. Minamadali na po ng SSS ang pagsasaayos ng benepisyo para sa mga miyembrong nawalan ng trabaho ngayong panahon ng COVID-19. Ayon kay SSS President and CEO Veronica Baby Ignacio, posibleng sa susunod na buwan pa mailatag ang benepisyo para sa mga naapektuhan ng enhanced community quarantine. Pero pwede naman daw mag-avail ng iba't ibang klaseng loans ang mga miyembro ng SSS. We'll continue the discussion over at One News, 1PH, and Radio 5. For now, that's the latest on the coronavirus crisis. For News 5, I'm Cheryl Cosim. We are One News.